Vibration, temperature, amperage, speed. Machines talk. It pays to listen. You need the right tools to be able to interpret what your machines are telling you. That's why we supply the Phantom, the widest variety of wireless sensor types on the market. Designed for a use across a range of industries, the Phantom wireless vibration sensor sets the industry benchmark. Phantom is easily installed. You can place Phantom sensors anywhere, including unsafe areas, with our ATEX range. No wires, no hazards, no worries. The sensors wirelessly connect to a gateway using BLE 5.0 ultra-long-range technology. The gateway for your Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or 4G mobile then seamlessly transfers all of the data your Phantoms collect for analysis to your PLCs via Modbus. Lines of resolution, Fmax, sampling rate, and battery life are only a few of the major considerations you should take very seriously. Whether you're monitoring one machine or thousands of machines, Phantom is 100% scalable. Phantom integrates into the world's only multi-technology SQL predictive diagnostic software, Digivibe MX. Open access SQL is remarkably important. Don't get locked into proprietary databases, subscriptions, and maintenance contracts. It's your data, and you should have the freedom to choose. Use the system locally or across multiple sites via the cloud. Easily export in Excel, CSV, universal file format, or query the database using any tool that connects to SQL. With Phantom and Digivibe MX, you finally have the wireless interpreter for all of the languages of your machines. Erbessd-Instruments, masters of machine health.